Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gaza9919 here, and what we're going to be doing today is cleaning these alloy wheels, the ST wheels, that unfortunately are going to have to go. As you may have seen in the last video, or whenever I decide to upload this, and opposed to the video that's been uploaded, Norman is obviously going, unfortunately, but I figure, you know, I'm going to sell them. Like, say if I bought a nice set of wheels, I'd like them to be clean, so I'm going to clean them for somebody else, whoever buys them. And to do that, I am going to be testing this Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner, which was brought to me for Christmas from a very wicked person. So yeah, let's get on it. And I believe that this is like the stuff that you spray on, it turns purple, and then after a certain amount of time you wash it off and it like eats through the grime and gets it off, and then you just give it a little wipe. So let's give it a go and see how things turn out. I am going to be doing 2 wheels at a time. I'm going to try and cover as much of the wheel as possible, like not just on the alloy on the bit that you see, but on the inside as well, because you got to bear in mind how much brake dust that's probably collected over the amount of time they've been on the car. And then it says on the bottle we had to spray it on a dry surface, so there's no pre-rinsing or anything like that, and then we have to leave it for 2 to 4 minutes and then water it down and then dry it off after to prevent any spotting or anything on the wheels. So let's get to it and get spraying. So these are the first 2 I did, and now they've dried a bit. There's still a few markings on them, which I'm not too pleased about, because I did rinse them thoroughly, but I mean, with a bit of cloth or something, you can probably make them look okay. Right then guys, so they have actually turned out quite well, to be honest. I've got my extra wiped down with the dry cloth, and all 4 wheels have turned out quite nice. So I think with a bit of elbow grease, the Meguiar's all-wheel cleaner isn't too bad, to be fair. So yeah, I would probably recommend the product.